If you want the shots, give me the staff job. Double the money. Guys, welcome to this episode. We have Spider-Man. Oh, wait. This is Shape Your English, and my name is Arya. Now, at Shape Your English, we're going to be learning English through movies. Not just English, but idioms, phrases, anything that's going to make your English much cooler. Yes, much cooler. None of that basic wording, beginner stuff. No, you want to astound people. Yes. Anyways, in this episode we have Spider-Man 3, the trilogy, a very funny movie and actually not as bad as people say, but this episode is going to teach you way more and it's going to be way more entertaining than the movie. Enjoy.
In the act. Spider-Man with his hand in a cookie jar.
Our first phrase, we have Spider-Man with his hand in the cookie jar. Someone's hand in the cookie jar or someone being caught with his hand in the cookie jar means that
Hands out of the cookie jar, Donna, all right?
someone has been doing something wrong or stealing something. Now we can use it like this. Arya returned the money once people found out his hand was in the cookie jar. We can use it as that example.
Yeah, no, we're just horsing around.
And with our last phrase, we have horsing around. Stop horsing around. We were in the kitchen and my brother was horsing around when we broke the bowl. He was horsing around and he broke the bowl. Horsing around means to act silly and childish. To act silly and childish. Horsing around. Now, why did I say horsing around? Why did I bring this specific, very easy word into this episode? Because we want to replace it with our everyday words we use, such as, don't be silly, stop, you're being silly, stop being childish. No, stop horsing around. Or when you're just play fighting with your friends and the teacher says, hey, what are you doing there?
Stop horsing around.
Guys.
You're going to say, don't worry, you're just horsing around. You're just acting silly and childish. Don't worry, you're just playing around. Wait, guys, where are you going? No, we're not over yet. This is the conclusion. I'm going to be going everything I taught and most importantly, I'm going to ask you for a favor and I'm going to give you something back in favor, okay? So, after I've given the conclusion, I want you guys to create a new sentence with the words I have presented you with. Now, what is this going to do? It's going to help other people. And secondly, most importantly, I'm going to pick out the 2 best comments and examples and share it in the next video and mention you because you just did a terrific job of creating an example with those words. Wouldn't that be kick-ass?
Kick-ass?
All right, the first sentence was, he was caught with his hand in the cookie jar. With his hand in the cookie jar means to do something wrong or be caught stealing. He was caught with his hand in the cookie jar. And the second one is stop horsing around. Horsing around. To stop acting silly or childish. Wow! Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.